I'm gonna challenge myself and make a scratch game in 10 seconds, 1 minute, and 10 minutes. Let's see what I make. Okay, 10 seconds, and 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Okay, when green flag clicks forever, change Y by 10. If key space press, change Y by -10. Okay, just in time. Oh, no. Okay, wait, hold on. This doesn't count. Okay, I just needed to put in the extra number, okay? And there we go. A game made in 10 seconds, okay? It's beautiful.
Stop the cap.
Now let's move on to making a game in 1 minute. Okay, let's set the timer for 1 minute and start. Okay, let me delete this code. Let me make a game where you're moving back and forth. This is hard. We only have 1 minute, so I'm probably gonna have to remove all of the features from the game. First, let me make the player move left and right. Oh, will it please go in there? Okay, if key right arrow pressed, key left arrow pressed, change X by 8. Okay, it's moving left and right. Let me make obstacles that fall from the sky. Let me just draw a circle for now. I don't have, okay. If when green flag clicked forever, create a clone of myself. Change when I start as a clone, change Y by -10. Forever change Y by -10, go to random position. I need this to start at the top. Create clone of myself. What now? Wait 1 second. No. Okay. Let me see if this works. Okay, it spawned. I forgot this needs to be minus. Okay, I'm gonna change it. I'm just gonna type in -10. Okay, and it works. Okay, I just needed the minus. Okay, don't. It's my challenge. I can do whatever I want. Okay, making a game in 1 minute. This is what we end up with. This is not polished at all. So in the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna see if I can polish up this game. I'm gonna remake this game in 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. This is a lot of, not that much time, but a lot more time than 10 seconds. Let's see what we can do. Okay, start. Okay, you know what? I don't want to remake the code. I'm gonna leave it here. I don't care if you guys think it's cheating. I'm just gonna leave it there. Okay, first we need sprites. Let me choose like something that's falling. Let's go with food. Apples. I'm gonna choose apples and bananas. Apple. Okay. Do we need to hide? First, hide the main sprite because that was the bug in the game. If Y is less than -150, go back up to the top. Oh wait, no, just delete this clone. Okay, let me take this out. Why did I have that there? Go to pick random 1 to 2 seconds. Wait, actually no, this could be 0.5. Okay, and then switch costume to pick random between the apple and the banana. So yes. Okay, and then let me turn 15 degrees just for the extra polish. Okay, and now in the cat, we need to make a game over screen. Let me make sure I actually have that in, just so like if the timer ends, if I run out of time, I should have the game over screen, and that should be a finished game. Okay, when I receive game over, stop other scripts in the sprites. Okay, let me do that for the apple too. Let me make the game over screen now. Okay, thank you. Game over. Let me just draw a simple game over screen, make it red. Okay, then let's draw a text that says you lost. Okay, let me do a frowny face. Okay, this needs to hide when the game starts, and it needs to show when the game over screen. Go to front layer. Okay, let me call this enemies. Call this player. Okay, now the game over screen works. Great. Awesome. Let me make a floor. And I'm gonna take out the cat. I'm not gonna use the scratch cat. I hate the scratch cat. The scratch cat has done things to me that I don't even want to explain on this video. Okay, the floor for the player. Let's go with Andy. Actually, this would make a good game because you can like move really fast and no, we're not going with Andy. Ben. Use Ben. Alright, I have nothing against Andy. I have nothing against Andy, okay? Alright, let me add a little bit of extra polish. Point in direction 90. Wait, I need to make a variable. I'm gonna make this like more polished by adding a variable. Change X by... How did I die? Change X by that. Change X by X. That sounds confusing, doesn't it? Set X to X times 0.1, 0.9, I'm sorry. Okay, what? Okay, the movement feels so weird. Okay, wait, that's good. Point in direction X, 90 plus X times 3 or -3. Hey, this is pretty cool. Okay, let me choose a quick background. There's so many. They're all so good. It's hard to choose. It's hard to choose one. Let me go to Space City. Wait, did that load in? Hello? Okay, there we go. Okay, my game is just laggy. Wait, this is actually a cool background. You're just dodging bananas that are falling from the sky. Okay, let me add an outline around Ben. Alright, I'm being very polishy here. This is the polishing stage, so I can do it. Boom, and then there's that pixelate, that bad effect. And just draw a square around him and remove it. Okay, let me make the game harder. Okay, this is too easy. There we go. Wait, I don't think that's hard at all. Let me do 0.5 seconds. There we go. Okay, some difficulty. Now I need a score. Okay, let me do a score. Let me set the score to 0 when the game starts. And I don't know. I have no idea how much time is left. It's only when the timer rings that I have to stop everything. And if I don't have a complete game, then I'm done. Like, I'm just done. I can't make any changes. I mean, I made changes in my 10 seconds, but okay, that doesn't matter. We forgot about that. If high score is more than score, set score to 0. I mean, set high score to, if score is more than high score. I think this is the first time I made a high score in one of my games. Okay, change score by 1. Wait, that's actually hard. Wait, that's hard. No, this is pretty good for a 10-minute game challenge.
And you know what's also good? I just released a course for beginners to learn how to code with zero experience. In this course, you'll learn how to create games like Flappy Bird, a 3D maze game, and even Minecraft. There are no boring lectures, it's just fun. My name is Suli and I'm a professional game developer, educator, and author. And I've taught millions of students through my YouTube tutorials. In this course, you'll learn real game design logic, animation, and game design skills without even realizing that you're learning. So for the parents, this is productive screen time. And for the kids, you'll finally get to say that you've designed your own game instead of rage quitting on someone else's. Zero experience needed, ages 7 to 17 and up, lifetime access, all for less than the Fortnite Battle Pass.
No, wait, where did my score go? I think I hit it. Okay, now let me just copy the enemies. I'm gonna add coins that you have to collect. Coins. Does Scratch have coins? You know what? Let me just use the button. I'll use the button and I'll color it in like a golden color maybe. Boom, there goes the coin. Yeah, it's just that. It's just the button. Okay, and then the coins. Wait, pick random 1 to 2 seconds. Create clone of myself. Okay, I think this would work. Yeah, let me make them smaller. It's way too big. It's so easy to collect them. Wait, why is that hard? Okay, and then let me make an outline around it. From the time, I think I have like 5 minutes. I think 5 or 6 minutes. This is just an estimate. I can't see the timer. The coins. Okay, the coins fall. You know, I should make them a different color. It's so hard to tell them apart from the apple. Green and blue. Yeah, just green. Let me just make it green for now. And then if the coins are touching the player, then just delete this clone and then change score. We get an extra score boost. Change score by 10. Okay, good. There we go. You know what? I should make a power-up. I'm gonna do a shield power-up. Shield power-up. Okay, it's just gonna be... Let me just copy the coin and let me draw a shield icon on it. Like, how is a shield? A shield is like a circle, but wait. It's like that is... You know what? We're keeping it. I don't have time. Let me just fill that in with white. That does not look like a shield at all. Delete. I don't know what that is, okay? Don't judge me. That's just... Okay, yeah, we're keeping it. We're keeping it in the game. Let me make the shield color purple. Yeah, that looks good. And then oh, wait, I swore I copied the code. I need to put that in. No, as soon as I was about to copy the code. Okay, let me just hide it for now, and that's it. This is the game made in 10 minutes. Okay, let's shut up. Okay, let's see if I can get a high score. Collect a coin. Give me... I think the coin is too overpowered, actually. The coin is... Oh jeez. I didn't even add music. That's what I forgot. No, I didn't. I totally forgot. I was gonna add music and sound effects, but I totally ran out of time. Okay, I think that's it for the Scratch game made in 10 seconds versus 1 minute versus 10 minutes. Make sure to buy my merch, jacksonacademy.myshopify.com, limited edition Jackson Academy X Osaka hoodie.